Hello friends, I am Balasaheb Nivadange, Assistant Teacher of Sri Dokeshwar Vidyalaya, Taki Dokeshwar. Dear friends, in the 10th standard mathematics, last video we have already studied linear equations in two variables. Now today we are going to study second chapter, that is the quadratic equations. Now in this chapter we have to study what is meant by quadratic equations, means introduction, standard form, then how to solve the quadratic equations, that is the methods of solving quadratic equations. Then third, nature of roots of quadratic equations, relation between roots and coefficients of quadratic equations, and lastly application of quadratic equations. Now first consider introduction. To study the general form, that is the standard form of quadratic equation, first consider the activity. Activity is classify the following polynomials as a linear polynomial and as a quadratic polynomials. See, there are 5 polynomials. First 5x plus 9, second x square plus 3x minus 5, third 3x minus 7, fourth 3x square minus 5x, and fifth 5x square. We know that if degree of a polynomial is 1, then it is called a linear polynomial, and if degree of a polynomial is 2, then it is called a quadratic polynomial. See, in the first polynomial, highest power of variable is 1, so it is a linear polynomial. Second, x square plus 3x minus 5, highest power is 2, so degree is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. Third, it is also linear polynomial. Fourth, quadratic polynomial. Fifth, also quadratic polynomial. So this is the classification of a linear and quadratic. Now consider another activity. What is the activity? X square plus 3x minus 5, 3x square minus 5x, 5x square. Write these polynomials in the index form and observe the coefficients and fill in the boxes. Now see here, first polynomial x square plus 3x minus 5, second polynomial 3x square minus 5x plus 0. Write this polynomial by inserting constant term 0. And third, 5x square plus 0x plus 0, inserting a linear term and constant term. Now coefficients of x square in these polynomials respectively are 1, 3 and 5. See, these coefficients are non-zero. Now consider the coefficients of x. In the first polynomial, coefficient of x is 3. Now in the second polynomial, coefficient of x is minus 5. In the third polynomial, coefficient of x is 0. Constant terms are minus 5, then in the second polynomial 0, and in the third polynomial also 0. So here constant terms may be 0, coefficient of x may be 0, may not be 0, but coefficient of x square are non-zero. So with this, if we equate quadratic polynomial to 0, we get a quadratic equation. So let us study what is the definition of quadratic equation. See, the general form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In variable x, where a, b, c are real numbers and a non-zero. In quadratic equation, highest index of the variable is 2. For example, m square minus 7m plus 6 is equal to 0. So in the left hand side, this is a quadratic polynomial, and equating quadratic polynomial to 0, we get a quadratic equation. And this quadratic equation is in the general form, and it may be written as in this way: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a non-zero, coefficient of quadratic term non-zero. Second, 2x square plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. So these are some quadratic equation which are in standard form. So in the definition of quadratic equation, or in the definition of standard form, remain only two things. First, variable is one variable, only one variable, and second is maximum index of variable is 2, where index are whole numbers. So if we remind these two things only, we get a quadratic equation. So a quadratic equation is a second degree equation in one variable. In the equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First term, पहिले जे पद आहे ते क्वाड्रॅटिक टर्म असणार आहे. पहिलं पद क्वाड्रॅटिक टर्म. सेकंड टर्म, दिस इज द लिनियर टर्म, मिडल टर्म, मधले पद. And third term c, this is the constant term, स्थिर पद. Now consider another activity, complete the following table. या टेबल मध्ये पहिला कॉलम आहे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचा, दुसरा कॉलम आहे जनरल फॉर्मचा, स्टँडर्ड फॉर्मचा, तिसरा, चौथा आणि पाचवा कॉलम आहे कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ quadratic term, linear term and constant term. Now see here, first quadratic equation, x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now writing this in general form by inserting middle term x square plus 0x minus 4 equal to 0. Here you know that general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So if we equate this ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0 and c is equal to minus 4. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 4. Now consider the second quadratic equation, y square plus is equal to 2y minus 7. जनरल फॉर्म मध्ये लिनियर टर्म आणि कॉन्स्टंट टर्म या सुद्धा लेफ्ट साइडला आहेत. सो टेकिंग 2y minus 7 to the left hand side, we have this quadratic equation is y square minus 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. So equating this quadratic equation with general form x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 2 and this c is equal to 7. Third equation, x square plus 2x equal to 0. Observe here, constant term is absent. So writing constant term 0, we have x square plus 2x plus 0 is equal to 0. So equating this with the general form, we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, and c is equal to 0. So in this way we can find the values of a, b, c by equating given equation with standard form. Now take some examples. Question is, decide which of the following are quadratic equation. First equation, 3x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Now see here, in this equation 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0, x is the only one variable and maximum index of the variable is 2. So it is a quadratic equation by the definition of standard form of a quadratic equation. Now consider the second example. X plus 1 upon x is equal to 0. Now multiplying both sides of given equation by x, we have x into x plus 1 upon x into x is equal to 0 into x. Here x cancelled, we get x into x, that is x square plus 1 equal to 0. So here x square plus 1 is equal to 0. X is the only one variable and maximum index of the variable is 2. Therefore it is a quadratic equation. Now consider the third equation. Y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. या ठिकाणी प्रथम दर्शनी हे इक्वेशन क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन आहे असे वाटते, बट if you multiply both sides of given equation by y, we have y square into y plus 1 upon a y into y is equal to 2 into y. We have y cancel, y square into y, we get y cube plus 1 is equal to 2y. Now transfer, now see here in this equation y cube plus 1 is equal to 2y. Y is the only one variable, but maximum index of the variable is not 2, so it is not a quadratic, therefore it is not a quadratic equation. So in this way we have studied a standard form of a quadratic equation. तर या ठिकाणी आपण थांबूया. धन्यवाद.